Every success story starts in silent with someone choosing to show up before anyone claps. Sobrang lalim ng quote na yun at alam ko hindi lahat tayo nakakaintindi, but today we are going to dig deeper into that quote for us to deeply understand its meaning. But before all of it, good morning mga choy. Today is Saturday, and yes, I want to thank God for this very wonderful day. Every day. I know right now it feels like walang pumapansin. You upload a video, walang views. You post something meaningful, wala namang reactions. It feels like you pour your heart into your craft, and it feels like you are shouting into a void. But that doesn't mean it is worthless. Alam niyo mga choy, I look at someone just like, Joseph Sabello, or we most commonly known as Ungart. Hinangaan ko yan mula pandemic hanggang ngayon. He didn't start with, millions of views or thousands of followers. He started just like us. Ang meron lang siya ay lakas ng loob, kapal ng mukha, camera, at pangarap. Walang overnight success. Walang shortcuts na dinaanan. Just consistency, belief, and heart. And look at him now. He is not just a successful vlogger but also a successful entrepreneur who is inspiring thousands of people, who is inspiring thousands of youth, who is inspiring you. And I believe soon mga choy, ako rin. Hindi dahil sinuwerte ako sa buhay, but because I am planting seeds now, even if no one sees them grow yet. Palagi ko itong sinasabi mga choy. We write our own story. And etong ginagawa ko, this is just, the beginning of mine. So if you are watching and listening to this is your sign. Take action. Start even when it's quiet. Believe even when it's hard. Because someday, someone will look at your journey just like how I look at Ungart's journey. And eventually, 3 years or 4 years from now, they will say, thank you. Because you inspired me to start mine.
Something bad is about to happen to me.